Hello there, sunshine. Today I'll draw something grand and bright. Bluey and her big family, all together in one joyful sight. So while I get my drawing ready, I'll tell you a story that feels like a warm hug under a summer sky. And before we dive in, like this video, because family stories always feel better when we share them together. It was a bright morning in the Healer house. Bluey bounced on her bed, tail wagging like a drumbeat. Today's family day, she cheered. Bingo jumped up beside her. Does that mean Grandma and Grandpa are coming? Yep, Bluey said proudly. And Uncle Stripe, Aunt Trixie, Muffin, and Socks too. Their voices filled the house like music. Downstairs, Dad flipped pancakes while humming a silly tune. Big breakfast for a big family, he declared. The doorbell rang, and chaos arrived with a smile. Grandma twirled in her bright scarf, Grandpa carried his giant hat, and Muffin ran straight to the table shouting, "Pancakes first!" "Not yet, cheeky pup," laughed Dad. Aunt Trixie and Uncle Stripe came in right after, arms full of juice and fruit. "Family feast coming right up," said Mum as she set the plates. Bluey grinned from ear to ear. "This is the biggest breakfast ever," Dad nodded. "And the loudest." Everyone laughed, clinking cups like tiny bells. And hey, if you love mornings filled with giggles, like this video while you smile wide. After breakfast, Bluey suggested a game. "Let's play Family Quest," she shouted. "We must find the lost crown of the Healers." Grandma gasped dramatically. "A lost crown, you say? Count me in." Bingo took charge of the map, and Muffin pretended to be a fierce guard. "No one passes without the magic word," she said proudly. Grandpa tried sneaking past, only to trip on his hat. Everyone roared with laughter. Dad whispered to Bluey, "Where should we hide the crown?" Bluey pointed to the garden. In the sandbox, under the rainbow shovel, they dashed outside, tails wagging. "Okay, troops," yelled Dad. "The crown is near. Follow the sparkle." Grandma squinted. "I see it. Or maybe that's just my glasses fogging up." Bluey giggled. "Keep going, Grandma. If you'd help them find the crown too, like this video, because every hero needs a cheering friend." The whole family searched high and low. Bingo dug in the sand, Muffin checked the bushes, and Socks barked at a butterfly. Suddenly, Grandpa held something shiny. "Is this it?" he asked, holding up Mum's spoon. "Close enough," laughed Bluey. Then Dad lifted the real crown made of flowers and string. "We found it," he shouted. Everyone cheered and danced around the yard. Later, as the sun began to set, the family sat on a big blanket in the garden. The sky glowed pink and gold. "That was the best family quest ever," said Bingo. "Because we did it together," Bluey added softly. Grandma patted her paw. "That's what families do, sweetheart. They laugh, they play, and they find crowns in the sand." Dad smiled. "And they eat leftovers too." Everyone laughed again, warm and happy as fireflies flickered around them. The night felt gentle and full. So snuggle tight and dream tonight, a family love that feels just right. And before you close your eyes and glow like this video, and let your giggles grow,